githomo kuma mwena wa kaunti ya Garissa nimanyitite mbaru ndereti ya gukorwo magikurukia ngiredi ya arutwo aria mangenda gukorwo magithomera kothi cia urutani na cikorwo igicaguragwo kuma grade ya C thiini wa kaunti ino. Atongoria ningi ni macokeirie ngatho atongoria wa bururi ni undu wa gwitikira ndereti ino ikorwo ikihitukio. Gavana wa Garissa Nathi Jama ni hamwe na munene wa kaunti iyo na niwe Zakurein moigete namba ya arutwo aria meyandikithitie kuma Garissa Teachers Training College ni ongererekete na namba 4 na thutha wa kwitukio kwa ndereti ino.
Of many years, today we are able to celebrate the fact that many of our boys and girls have now applied to be teachers, to be trained teachers. I'm really impressed, and I must say that I'm happy with the information that I have been given this morning, that from Munyaka, about close to other 700 students who have applied to join this college to be trained as teachers. And I must really, take this opportunity, first of all, to thank the presidential working party, which recommended the lowering, or rather the removal of the clusters, the subject clusters that was a hindrance, apparently, to the students joining the teaching fraternity.
I think I've been lowered, and you can enroll in teachers training colleges, regardless of the cluster subject that normally brought headache to many students. You can now enroll, and I see this as a great opportunity to students from Northeastern Province. So I urge every student from this region to enroll in teacher training colleges. I know from this region we have 2 teachers training colleges, Marenda teachers and Garissa teachers. So enroll. This is a very big opportunity for you. This is a diploma course. When you are out, you'll be a hot cake. So I urge every student with a C stand from the secondary schools to come and join the teachers training colleges, and you will be a teacher of this country tomorrow.